Hi, I'm Doug Santacola from Outdoor Elegance, Neil Saavedra from KFI, The Fork Report, and Scott from DCS. And I'd like to introduce them. They're going to tell you about their wonderful products here in the DCS showroom.
Start your engine. Tell us what this is, because this is a monster.
This is the DCS Series 9 grill, and this is the 48-inch grill. So this is our big boy. 25,000 BTU U-shaped burner. So this thing is throwing out the heat.
Let's start off on what makes this. This is the 42-inch.
Yes.
It's a gorgeous one. And let's talk about some of the things that make this unit unique.
So a couple things. First off, that you're going to see just looking at the the front of the grill is the rotisserie itself. The motor is not hanging out outside. It's not out in the elements or any of that kind of stuff. It's actually embedded into the grill itself. The torque on this is just insane. You cannot.
I have
hold it down.
personally cooked multiple turkeys during Thanksgiving on this. First of all, start at the beginning. Gorgeous colors. Every single one of these are an option, right?
Absolutely. There's 12 of them, including the stainless steel. So this is unique to us too. So this is our multi-purpose rotisserie system. So there's an infrared burner mounted in this position here. Mm-hmm. On the commercial side of our business, we call that a salamander. And now I can do cooking right up on top of here, which is completely unique to us.
So imagine this, when you go to a restaurant and you get a dish, and you remember they say, be careful, that dish is really hot, and it's piping hot, and it's bubbling, the cheese is bubbling, and everything is perfect there. That's because it spent time under a salamander. When I see and I look at a Twin Eagle, I know that these grates, straight Twin Eagle, what makes it different.
We use hexagon grates because going back to that flat surface on the cast iron grate, this has more food to surface contact.
So you see that if you take a look over in here, that it has that stop sign look to it, and that's how you know that you're dealing with Twin Eagle. It gives it great weight, much more surface area, and it looks sexy.
Yeah.
So nothing wrong with that. You could do a whole pig on here.
Oh yes.
He smiles big. Absolutely you can.
In fact, our Southern California sales rep, Joe Pinnell, we actually put him in here.
Oh yeah. As long as it's off. We got to start with this lid down.
You got it.
Because
There you
I
go.
think that one of the features that really sets Fire Magic apart is this beautiful window right here. So explain what this design is all about.
Our engineers built the Magic View window. It's larger with interior illumination now. You can really take a look at the meat. One of the secrets is the round hood, because what happens is the airflow comes in this way and it blows the smoke away. So you don't have the problem with smoke accumulating on the window and making it more opaque.
Look at this.
The heart of a car is the engine. The heart of a grill is its burner. This is the e-burner. It's made of cast 304 stainless steel, and with this display you can see how thick
Wow.
the interior is. This will last a lifetime, and it's warranted for life.
So this is just beauty. It's always good to see you, my
Hey,
friend.
thank you so much for being here.
My pleasure.
We look forward to listening to the Fork Report.